Yemo bibia akwaba esanso mo bibia achen eba enano pay morning mix media Coastal TV ya hye no fefefe na ye de bre obabi a wo bia say ye adwuma say ye fie ye dase say we fidie no eda digital channel 514 anase say o hye wo Facebook ene YouTube so aye dase pa bomodin say so won saka ye link na obe sende ede ama obi obe forward ede ama obi na say na da bia meka no e bia na asem bia ye beka na no pay no obi be hia edi esia etu anamobi nti bomodin se obesend link no edi amobi bomodin so se wo social media Facebook Coastal TV Cape Coast obe subscribe na obe follow na oko YouTube so Coastal TV na eno so obe follow na ode amaye sa se ne be ya Coastal TV ebusia no emu be kire na fe aye kese confirm se ebeye kese medino AFIBA ESSIEN yemfa sede di kan no yemfa ma otumfo nyankopon se aye na dum no ho mobrobi nti ene divine selection no ebi akan na fe that's one kwai that's one hoden kwa de e wose ye de aseda kese pa na emudu ye de ma no na ye da na so wie so a na fe so wa obi a wo hwe no so ye de aseda ne bi so ede amawo na edi ho nso ye de be ma yaboafo da bia no omoboa ye no mo so yasia ma ye programs ina no etimi ede bre ye tiefo ene yahwefo National Petroleum Authority ene Patmo Print ene Diesel Gift Shop ene efe sanso ewo Nesto Ventures aboafo ye na no pe bia na se da bia da no unfailingly omo so yasin ma yetimi ede morning mix program no ye de ebro bomodin asa woni me betena nete ne se nsesan kakra ewo ho enu ntino yentimi empon morning mix no at 10 and say nondu emoye ansan ya cha ye by 9 na say 8:30 na ya sorry so say dwumade bi nso wo ho ehohia pa te say morning mix ya but on say we full doors one o so ye na wo ye ni nyina nti se wo hweme a na wo de ahye wo chim sa na ye pon tema me ka say na morning mix de asama debi o si ensanso enko ba bi foforo eno a entia okay maka ne sa no na anope nso ye nhye ho kwan kakra of course ya sorry anope na ye betutu anama akọ adwuma bi beko school bi beko heme amia bebre ne de o si abomodin se bibi kakra de betu ye kotodwen se ne be ya ye dru ba bi na eja ho ko hia ye be sane mu ne ye de abo ye bra no ye mfa ento eja nene motivation as inspirational message I dey bro no but for kasem no I say not every day is good but there's something good in every day. Not every day is good but there's something good in every day. Ene de bia ene ye da papa ene de bia na you have a nice day na emom no same post ada no o have the worst day na enyenyenyenye kra na at least ade ba ku bi de betimi ahwe no so aka je nyankopon sa me da ase san sa ade ba ku bi de ebe koyie ewo sa eda no emu. One thing na ya na de bia me kan say yeah as human beings no as nipa no ade ba ku a you're taking it for granted pa ade a we have it every day bibi to say nsuo you're taking it for granted because you say oh den ya nsuo de ye benya no ebi aduane na ebi a no ye be fa ni serious guy because eno no say we ni scan na come do wa we say waso be hye but at least nsuo 50 pesos they will be some man na oton nsuo na obeyi ba akọ de amount bibia ye woni in abundance no enwa we take it for granted and ade bia ya nto no we take it for granted enwa na sanka ye sorry anope na nka ye hu ni say fine me sorry no sika na nka wasa me saka no me sanka in fact edwuma bia na me hwehwe me sanka obi a disappoint me obi a me say na mom no in all that no I have life me won kwa enwa so that is the one thing na say podi no eye bad say den crown po na obetimi aka say urade me da say me da so te ase that is just one thing about also because young coffee sika kese bi amfa ntonti no we don't value it ye hu the way esi esumbo efa but anope ne mpesa me ka hwewa ne say empo oda sorry no in a particular day enra na mpo say echina say unya the worst day of your life a day na nkoyie na say bibia ye basa in a particular day mpa Can who say there's something that you could be grateful for? There is something that you could be grateful for. Let's say, for example, let's say Obanoko school, your family school fees into your school fees into your family say brefi, and wabefi no ababetne fee. Like ura ho near wo ye chester wabamum pebu. Look at the other side. Obana befi, he or she is fine. Bibi anyelo. Ofri school mo kra obefi no ka bia mona nso anhwene. That is something to be grateful for. And no ye bibi a obetimi agina so na ma weni age, at least thank God for that. So sometimes it's me one bad situation say the whole experience. I mean, they can be painful, sure. But yeah, it's me say the whole experience. We can't even thank God for something like that, or we can't even say thank you, Jesus. Or because one thing be as say experience nina edi amaye. But then I just want you to know and pray me person na say no matter how bad would they be ebeyeno. No matter how bad, in fact, no matter how worst is, I will be feeling say would they be aye edi amount. Can we say aye denya uchicho enia ube hu bibi I was a ndanyankopon ase. Me there I always thank God for my life. I always thank God for my life. That's one thing I me personally may grateful for. So me sorry anopana se me ni hwe kra mpona. In fact, se me ni sika kra mpona, as long as I metin kwam no kwa de. Me da nyankopon ase. Se wa ma de pa chi me. Sa asam na na ye ka ne se omo aye ne omo koda ye nyomu nyina na sorry no. Is enye agrobio, enye cliche bi on. Because it's true. Omo aye ne omo koda mo a you can good night at show last night no and when you may brand near babedano and you'll be no pay sorry. That's true. To say, oh, what's I say? Ever sister, brother, I was wondering uncle answer for that. Just know that say bibi uncle ye crampona. As long as you have life, you have everything. It's no fashe uchimu sa. All right, young call for a quick commercial break, very quick one because we need to cover near and within the time now you want to. So a very quick one and a short music. Nefe yemfa anope kasi abo ewo ho no yemfa embre etifo nti ye kwa basisia.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won kwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no mo mehwe so ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Tete wobika tete wobichre tete ka sumun na ofi okachre da sebre kwegbe wusenye abiade na nanom bojegwadofo de afi ahoba kasen ne ber aso dem afa sheidu na da sebre kwegbe wusinamdo dribedi emfie dwasa odebeti na egwado hooray 21st July na abiade oja ogina homa odo koriye na nkabomen wobapa hotam 21st August da sebre kwegbe wusi eye kusum na manze ka ne mpanyimfo 22nd August ye health work wo we are doctors na nurses baba by a health screening 23rd August ye empaibonye ayeyi nnwuma 24th August na nanom nyi omano boko akaye kusum na manze aka ya anom 25th August ye da sebre kwegbe wusidze eye kusum na manze tema nimpanyimfo 26th August ye embebuni da wodibedi agor ahoro 27th August akensa wahihama school moframba 28th August enye da na nanom ena omano di nantwi botwe krom aye kusum na manze 29th August nye da ponda kesa na nanom ba hihya hono ho goso etwe krom ekowie wo MA School Park kwana watu nsafre Ghana Mampanyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama gomitrenyi mechre chairman onye Kentucky Teiko Churu otodebien oye gamanche osanso ye president Ga Traditional Council co-chairman Professor Nana Amakruche oye CEO Environmental Protection Authority EPA guest of honor Minister for Local Government Onyemnyamfo Ahmed Ibrahim Finance Minister Onyemnyamfo Atoforsen Central Regional Minister Onyemnyamfo Ekwaopenyin Ochre Eduamo Infantiman MP Honorable Dr. Ebenezer Prince Kojo Ahin Infantiman MC Onyemnyamfo Eric Stanley Akwa Nana Entwibu Esiakon Chairman Abiazi Festival Planning Committee Adjuntufo watu nsafra wonye kwa okesi Patapa Nero X na dodu pia waka ho nyi etibiribi a waka ho de womboboa hwan ma wondi afi ahoba afashion na dasebre kwegbe ewuse ne mfie dwasa odibeda ade no ho afashion yenkuruma no 30th August na abiazeman beye ndase som abiazeman bonyansapo wa wosano tete odomankuma pa de dwe wosem ewura
No vex for me. Say I never call you since, but I hope that you are well. I hope your market sell. Every day I dey pray for you. Make you Baba God bless you. I never forget you. I gon' forget you. See my shoulder, make you rest upon me. You know I got you. Now me be your friend indeed. The money don't show now. Some for you, you know go so far. Cause anything I get now for me and you, yeah. How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? I know sometimes it feel like say nobody sent you. That's when I did for you, my friend. Oh, Remy, you always stay in my mind. I deem me gone, gone, gone. I cherish you with my life. Don't worry yourself, oh. Everything go day alright. And if anybody try you, know it's gonna be on sight. See my shoulder, make you rest up on me. You know I got you, and me be your friend indeed. I'm money don't show now. I don't keep some for you. You know go suffer, 'cause anything I get now for me and you, yeah. How are you, my friend? I see you, my brother. How do you do, my friend? I see you, my sister. Oh, sometimes it be like say nobody send you. That's when I did for you, my friend. It's been so long. How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? I know sometimes it be like say nobody send you. That's when I did for you, my friend. I know sometimes it be like say nobody send you. That's when I did for you, my friend. I know that's hard and cold enough, but you're always on my mind. Oh, I did for you, my friend. I know.
Mesa ama wakwa babiem eba Coastal TV anopa dwumede morning mix so na oguso a wo hwe eye digital channel 514 sanso na se wo Facebook and YouTube so a ye wo ho nti bomode ase obekọ ho na wa subscribe wa follow na wa send link ni so de ama obi o asembi se bia na o asembi so ka na waja e wo comment section ase ye beba odin na ya kenkan mu aye wo ho a ye de ebema afi ka me ho na yenkotie anopa yi kase ba Coastal TV yensa ka e wo fiase no yemfanto yetiefo ene yahwefo nyina enim na edi mu akotene bi no ene road safety measures enkomo a enra yedi e wo Coastal TV efie ha no ene yede naposo bi yede bro sanso ena anopa yi obeka me ho na yakọ adwaman so akwa fuel price ahodo wo ho no eno so yede be ahoboa na upia abonten a ho anko kyew me sha se ewo eye road safety nkomo a enra yedi ewo Coastal TV efie ha na meka road safety anache se ekwan so kuse se na ebe ya yenyina no yebebo ye ho ban na atorenchem ka akwanhia ne ade a ayiyi ni ti na nsen ebetimi atwa so na yemfa yenkwa ento esemu se wo ye driver ni se wo na wote passenger seat se wo te chese yenyina wo nam kwan ho mpo na yebetimi yabo ye ho ban na yenkofa atorenchem bia anso emfa emma ye ho eni ntino enra yenua OMAR bin ABDULLAH ene road safety edwuma form penfo ni bi edi enkomo e wo fia sei atwetwe enkomo na asamba ko a road safety penfo no ekan ene se eba ne se omohwe ama ekwan so kose edwumadie no akoso a ne tie ne se omayo madwen se ombeya amana yeyie na eya na empempi no nema bebre e wo ho a eya na etochi makakra e wo mo afa sanse omo enhyada enni ne esese omo de ye adwuma adwuma no edimu nema bi a wose aban no de ma wo mo no etoda eya na ho akwakoye din eno nti na o kan akwakosi se e wose aban no so eye na famu de na eba ne sanso na sa aban ye na famu de na wose hu se ye yetimemufo driver fo nam kwan ho wafro ka yenyina so ye betimi e de road safety na se ekwan so kose rules and regulations emre da ho no yenyina e de be ye adwuma na efe yetimi etu atorenchem ekwan so atorenchem no yebetimi etu ase kra e waga na hase
rules and regulations the guiding in fact say nyina say ye the terms and conditions etu bibi so a for instance ebia ube ejuma yaka cho say wamba by 8 a.m. ye beti usika so a I believe say obe bantem. These are the terms and conditions. Drivers nenso no yam famra anye juma year, then as they are very lackadaisical in terms of obeying the laws now. Ye wo ye kwan so no the laws now a guide ye wo ye kwan so say police for every time must they be on the road to check some of these things. Of course, now we are going to go into automation. You be use CCTV. Oko other countries cameras and share your kwan so amaye. And yet necessarily a human being standing on the road. And see where the police is not there, no, there is one camera or another. Camera, no, it can be mobile, it can be stationary. Check Nyama ye wo kwan so a etimi e de akwanhia ebreye no.
Enkomai enne ekeka ho bi so na ekọ so ewo efia sei na osanso ekasa no na ochiremu se road safety ni de wo so obia ebomodin se ode ebeye adwuma na ya na eto de bia na drivers phobia ene ya ye ka ho timamufo ni bi no asomodin no ya na ya adoso eno anti na sa akwanhia ya ye hu we kwan so ni nyina eba ne sa na mum so obia ade emra no eye adwuma obia ye na afam de emra no aye adwuma e wo ye kwan no so a ogiri se ye betimi atu akwanhia ka akwanhia asekra e wo Ghana haze.
We obeying the laws. Ni nyina nsema woke kan ni nyina is about obeying the laws. And I think say in my personal opinion we have not whipped enough. Yeah, whipping enough because if the laws are there, I mean the documents are all over, the policies are all there, but drivers no make an earlier say omuhwe na omuhu said police ni be engine na then they misbehave. Drivers me nka commercial drivers nko me can drivers me make an ho ka ho say drivers bia obia or kan otishen nechi a all kano ye nyina say ye hwe ha na ye hwe say there's no law enforcement agency obetimi whether the person is delaying us ana ye the year court ana bibi whatever the case is, once the law is not there, then ana enforcement for no omuni hono no be who said then we misbehave. I think say the new laws na make no ana the new airline na airba no it operationalizes the act no, and so it is going to help in some of these things with the automation na make no surveillance na cameras no ebe ya maye no. It will also help us in tracking down some of these misbehaviors now yen as drivers, especially the onus really lies on the drivers. Say ye dim ran so no ejina yen yeso as drivers no inti say ye betimi account me yen drivers ne down, then I think say it will help to a large extent. Say driver crampo na oti hyen mu na onim say emra bi wo ho no mu a kire say was a passenger obetena hyen mu a say ubo seat belt irrespective, then the passenger will also demand say wo driver no always clean your seat belts say the be ya me betena mu a neat ema me she white shirt kra and say me shirt ni mu wo driver na nkasa wo seat belts no wabo nti once you have used the seat belt you have that audacity, okay, to also ensure say passenger now betena hyen mu so on also everybody seat belts. And I believe say ye nyina ye yes sir, and now wo driver no oti hyen mu na akwala penyi any akwala mo betena hyen mu no ma betena front because you are aware of the law, because of the education what about children not sitting at the front no ana akwala entina penyin so no, because of that no you will make sure say passenger no any akwala no mbeko echiri ana akwala na only 12 years na emrane say only 12 years and above no and say otina shen front no, you will make sure say that child goes to the back. With all these things that are coming into force for now no more of sensitization, less of enforcement. It's a ban on new laws na make no afiansa eba actually, and I'm say afiansa the law has been given to us to operationalize it. But before operationalization, we equally need to do a lot of education, sensitization, do a lot of dissemination to the public. In fact, say even stakeholders and you'll be or access and now or information about asema making. And once we all understand where we are going and the information and our documents are used to then we now start enforcing. Until for now, no, you start enforcement. Is for this year, more of sensitization, education on the law. I think you best start anyway, and then afterwards, no, we now start doing the enforcement. But the previous laws we need to say to say speed limit are okay. There are things that we are enforcing. I mean, police forging so with their speed guns, the radar guns, and all that are omude check speed. But of course, it's not enough. It's not enough. So we'll get corporates because the trans drivers are omundiso.
Abropeni ekasai na osanso editu mu se adwuma bia ewo emra omudi adwuma na emom se ekodwu ba bia na enho akwa akohia se ebe na efe ne se amendment nsesan ewo sa emra no emu esan se ne ye adwuma mfie bebre abesen kɔ no entimi anya adwuma enne bebre na entimi nya adwuma nne enenti no emra no de omasesemu na omode afoforo nso abanti ebe ye pa sa driver ni bia na nso tememu ni bia ebetimi ehu sa emra ya road safety omudi eye adwuma se ne be ya ebeboa ye nyina.
The more reason why I say amend and now sir a lot of gaps, okay, with the yanka for instance, and then there are lots of joints. Senior say in 2012 na automation sanya mano na ND muye for instance, and see na omoye law no omoamfa anye part of the agenda, let's put it that way. But now who say AI has come to stay with us and you can't take it away. Nyama related to technology, they are now part of us. Can you know who use Telegram and now they Telegram and a telegraph fax and now they send the information. Now it is different. Now you use email, you use calls, you use social media. You need to be abreast with what is trending, and that is also one of the reasons why laws must always be amended or of a sort. Now let's look at a thing like Pragya as a 2020, as a 2012, Omuye Eli, and at 2004, some Omuye Act 683. No, there was nothing like Pragya, and now we have realized that it has come to stay with us. How do we manage it? You manage it by legalizing it and putting in place structures and more. We have also realized something like, I think it's that one is more of in the LI, broken down vehicles. So we need to the gaps now we want to now structure it well and make sure there's a law that is guiding us, and that is also the reason why amending laws repeatedly be, because to say 2118 you realize there are lots of more gaps than the and that is why it has been recalled, and then we have a new one in place. When it comes to sustainability, you and I know very well it hinges on certain things: resources, human resources, financial resources, any logistics. Sometimes logistics ne crumple any honomo out the bay juma. Inti nyobitimi asomo believing and hoping why we the person or the people themselves should realize we need to continue for the system to work. But unfortunately, financial resources, it is killing us. Over authority now, we don't generate funds. We depend solely on government. It is a buyer. What can we do? Minister utie news somewhere last week. I said the whole of last year, not even a cedi was given to us. This year, we are still paying our debts. We are still paying debts. Because no matter what, the previous year, no matter what, the people that you have employed, they need to be taken care of. As we are not productive enough, but we are still there. And you can't take that. Rebecca said you are paid by the hour. Wholesale. At the end of the month, you are paid whatever a certain amount of money. Until we need to. So sustainability, I believe it depends more on government. Provide the resources. Provide the financial resources. What the financial resources then the agencies omonso mobeye use financial resources now to provide the logistics. Human resources people are moving out, brain drain. Training for just because their place is not lucrative enough. It's people who said people want money. And say why employ 10 now? People say by the end of the month 10 because there's nothing for them to do, and so they move out to a different place. And if you are able to into sustainability, it depends solely on government. Say government to provide the needed resources for the people to be productive in whatever they are doing. Na about being safe on the road. Now safety much as me de in church no. Yenso as citizens, yenso as the public let us equally own our safety. Yes, me bana me no bekasa be me ko. But what happens? I don't know about sustainability. The sustainability also depends on you, the individual. Said the bedi juma. And I believe if we are all going by what we've been taught, even if it's the little thing that we've been taught, if we are going by it, it will go a long way to help us. Na akwinshana yenya woye kwaneso no anobebrase.
And semi an Central Regional yes oko road safety National Road Safety Authority or no and head and answer or ye penny pa or da and no ewo infinity mantem has say yento so na efe yemfa fuel price who do and pay e wo no yemfa ensum yeti for internet the 19th of August 2026 no say oko Shell filling station bia say oko akoto petrol 1 liter ebo a obetua no 16 cedis 39 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 59 pesos. Go filling station eton petrol 1 liter bo 15 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 26 pesos. Sanso and a Star Oil petrol 1 liter 15 cedis 49 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 97 pesos. Wo Zen filling station eso petrol 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 46 pesos. Oko PMO ewo baby to say JP filling station petrol 1 liter 14 cedis 53 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 97 pesos. Na Total Energies and so petrol 1 liter 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. Frames Oil and Frames filling station petrol 1 liter 14 cedis 15 pesos and a diesel no 17 cedis 35 pesos. While Benab filling station petrol 13 cedis 80 pesos and a diesel 16 cedis 27 pesos. Pacific filling station and so petrol no 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Sanso and a petrol 1 liter 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos. We any filling stations are who do a kahuna say oko cityrate.com ubenya nefe ode aye wa hoboa ne ehia ne say oba hwe filling station e wo mpetem no nefe ubehu omo fuel prices no anopay ya de kaseboni na ebesi e wo ha say na ya twa ho age aboafo nkrato ye basisi a
tete wobika tete wobichre tete ka sumun na ofi okachre da sebre kwegbe ewusenye abiade na nanom bojegwadofo de afi ahoba kasen ne ber aso dem afa sheidu na da sebre kwegbe ewusinamdo dribedi enfie gbasa odibeti na egwado hooray 21st July na abiade oja ogina homa odo kuriye na nkabomen wobapa hotam 21st August da sebre kwegbe ewusi eye kusum na manze ka ne mpanyimfo 22nd August ye health work we are doctors na nurses baba by a health screening 23rd August ye mpaibonye ayeyi nnwuma 24th August na nanom nyi omano boko akaye kusum na manze akaya anom 25th August ye da sebre kwegbe ewusidze eye kusum na manze tema ne mpanyimfo 26th August ye mbebuni da wodibedi agor ahoro 27th August akensa wahihama school moframba 28th August enye da na nanom eno omano di nentwi botwe krom aye kusum na manze 29th August nye da ponda kesa na nanom ba hihya hono ho goso etwe krom akowie wo MA School Park hona wato nsafre Ghana Mampanyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama gomitrenyi mechre chairman onye Kentucky Teiko Churu otodebien oye gamanche osanso ye president Ga Traditional Council co-chairman Professor Nana Amakruche oye CEO Environmental Protection Authority EPA guest of honor Minister for Local Government Onyemnyamfo Ahmed Ibrahim Finance Minister Onyemnyamfo Atoforsen Central Regional Minister Onyemnyamfo Ekwaopenyin Ochre Eduamo Infantiman MP Honorable Dr. Ebenezer Prince Kojo Ahin Infantiman MC Onyemnyamfo Eric Stanley Akwa Nana Entwibu Esiakon Chairman Abiade Festival Planning Committee Adwontofo wato nsafra wonye kwa okasi patapa Nero X na dodo pia waka ho nyi etibiribi a waka ho de womboboa hon ma wondi afi ahoba afashen na da sebre kwegbe ewusi ne mfie dwasa odibeda ade no ho afashen yenkuruma no 30th August na abiademan beye ndase som abiademan bonyansapo wa wosano tete odomankuma pa de dwe wosem ewura
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone ewo apomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na dane ama fango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Mami zamba wakwa babiem yensa aka eye de ubo nkrata e ofi ase enti no kame ho na yenye emu empense mu yenhwe ne ekoso ewo oman no emu na ne yedi ebedi kan no eye me network asembe krene aha monhwe me na me network ni anopai we MTN network Yemfa the Ghanaian publisher emfa ensha se anope na osho front page ni so a ode osahin afenyo marking infonyi ababeto say minority demands answers over 22 billion Ghana cedis gold program loss. Na wa wonim no nsem bi na ekoso ewo eye gold board akache na omo recount omo losses na se kani nyina boma hu sika omahwere ene eka omabo no se o kani nyina eboma sika poli 22 billion Ghana cedis enye million no enye thousand no 22 billion Ghana cedis ene sika ayera ana eka gold board abo ewo edwuma mu ho eno no mo do mo report by na Ghana for be say is that how we dey do for here ade na yesi mo ma meto gold na enya ho faso won fa nye omani ye no mo gbaka how enti minorities so say ene no mo so say ase a enye ye enti wo say Sami Jemfi one ne apamfo mo mra na mo fa answers mmuaye emfa mre minority ene Ghana for say 22 billion ne de omoti ase ne enti a etimi motimi aboka 22 billion de a omoti ase a enye enti no momomode na momfa eho anoyie emfa emra. Gold must transform Ghana's communities. Gold board CEO Sami Jemfi na oka sa asemi wo se gold ayetu wo Ghana ha se no e wo se ede insatraye ensesa eba Ghana ye nkronkro bebre na so ukoba bi ti se mamemfa takwanya example a on say yetu gold wo ho nti wo se krono e reflect gold na yetu enti mi ma say yetu gold wo takwa na takwa ekwan nye takwa eyi network nye takwa nkofo eti wo no ho kire wo mo debi enye sa ene wo se eba no enti mi ma say yetu gold wo oboase na oboase fo edihia nti wo se gold a yetu wo Ghana ha se na etimi ede nsakyereye eba Ghana communities no emu. GJA holds 77th anniversary symposium today. Hooray! GJA, Ghana Journalists Association, ye this 77 years old. Na symposium bi ebekoso ene. nti ya na obomodin na wetie bi APL poll Bawumia list NDC hopefuls na eno so poll anase abatowo bi ekọ so online pacho enye general election nye MPP election nye NDC election we like chewadwe na mesmen chewadwe nti baba ko ba ne se nkofo enche omadwen about NDC nkofo mpesa omodo omoba let's say 2028 general election no ene Bawumia no flag bearer for MPP like edu 2028 anka hwan na be win a abatowo yi se Bawumia na edi enimu ti eno nso ensem bia free hono na but the Chronicle anopay ono nso aba Gold Board imposes 1.7 billion US dollars debt on BOG Bank of Ghana minority na ochire say Gold Board eka chichiri DB akwa chichiri Bank of Ghana na sika da so no 1.7 billion Ghana cedis anopay de minim nti amobobo ebo akese miyem kra hyehyeme billion 22 billion Ghana cedis and when we US dollars in partial 1.7 billion US dollars asemo okay Bawumia list enosto ha Kingsley Agyemang calls for dedicated fund to tackle Africa's flood risk okay enti ora Kingsley Agyemang and now ochemu say Africa has say insu aya eto eyirifa ye in fact enye insu to nkwa na eyirifa we say baby insu eyiri afa omo ebia some lagoon bia ayama ye bia insu afa omo ni ade ni na I was say yenja a dedicated fund for it na say I was say intimi set aside sika bia say koba ne say insu efa ye ewo Africa baby na ebetimi esi sa sika no na ye de akọ ye de aboye ho ban na ye de aso problem ni ano nti no ne nsem bi so a free the Chronicle eba women and leadership newspaper and so the Rabna Albin a member of parliament for Ablekuma North in Fonyi Ababetu Ablekuma North MP supports over 600 students with boarding school essentials. Inti Rabna Albin ono eneye mrashibedwani ma Ablekuma North ono ena wa support school for bi omo kwa akoda boarding na masua de be future leaders no wa support omo with boarding equipment to say name me be call boarding to say bia chalkboards, mattresses, pillowcase, gari and they are very necessary. We need to gari but I'm just saying yeah inti wa support omo with enema e beboa mo boarding asetna no akoye na nkofa how bia emfa emma Shamima Muslim mining companies must earn trust of host communities. Into when so Shamima Muslim na oka say mining companies omuye adwuma ewo various communities to say bia Pristia or Boase Takwa and then ye kan ho whatever you are mining I was also making sure say communities now resources no ewo mu no omo be jiwedi omo be wogidi ewo mu into no somebody you do then you know what you have to do. You also won't cheat you or more better. You have to treat them well. Something so that they will trust you with their resources. Because ban say before Kobasi see now we imagine so best on me a company one. We all know what happened some time ago. Very bloody. So also won't treat you one way no more trust. So Mrs. Matilda Asante Asiedu, second deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana, BOG. Innovation at scale must improve financial health of every Ghanaian SME. Matilda Asante Asiedu ena ochim eno. Se eba ne se Ghana yesi ye nsesanye bi ewo economy nim yesi kasem nim no ne ade a ewo se eye ne ebe improve anaso se ede me fa say mpuntu ana yedie bi ebeba for small and medium scale businesses enterprises so ni asema Matilda Asante Asiedu ka RIFA 2026 takes African cinema message to the streets of Kumasi nti wenso Ghana yesini ho ensensem na ne sense Africa cinema me kan say Africa cinema Ghana yesini twa omode akwakopie Kumasi mountain so achese ni nyina in the spirit of RIFA 2026 GITC ITC explore partnership to deepen Ghana's trade and investment opportunities. Nti nyuma ko mienu GITC and ITC and na chese omo akomo ntoma abo omo ho ano a chese eba beboa ama Ghana ha say ye dwadie aba ne trade and investment say ye de esika yakwa akosie bebi masika no awo e de amaye na ebe koyie pa ewo Ghana. The Metro Lens newspaper. And so at the Baumia, as I'm now making about the Abatone course online or the Abahase GJA holds symposium today to mark 77th anniversary. Congratulations to us. Africa Needs Flood Fund, okay, Makawas and President Mahama turns Ghana gold wealth into a new forex strategy. Eduji Tamakulu Ena or Kasei. President Mahama turns Ghana's gold wealth into a new forest strategy. Okay, so the details na the Metro Lens. The Daily Gist, and so as a minority takes on Samijan fee over gold worth 22 billion Ghana cedis mess. Makanwa sem da. Baumia, okay, I'm saying no pay will be a report on that. Deputy Attorney General defends Iyoko probe of AXA bribery scandal. And to know Deputy Attorney General and so at the Ababe Tuja say Iyoko Jomo Mudi na omode aye nhwehwemu about the bribery and corruption na cause so AXA energy towards involving some Ghanaian nationals no nhwehwemu no ebe cause so Attorney General na Deputy Attorney General is just defending that step by Iyoko. Young cocoa farmers petition Mahama over 2026-2027 season uncertainty. And into no mabunu eye cocoa ejumano sisiano and na amonso so edo omadisre die akwakoto omampanyi John Dramani Mahama enim say they don't know their left from their right. Omo hu bebi omode omoda ache ekọ omo hu bebi 2026-2027 cocoa season no eba beye omo nim de we ebekọ omo nim ekwan aban pese omfamfa so. Inti me sure say ban no clarification be the bema wo mo Adubuahene 49 million Ghana cedis trial. Lawyers slam Srimsai for misrepresenting evidence. Inti Adubuahene lawyers and so na me say Deputy Attorney General Srimsai come say or the evidence be aba court evidence no enye no kre. So inti enone the Daily Gist Nedia or Diaba and ne anopay. The Daily Banner at the banner before be about to front page so now I come and say Afenyo Markens versus Gold Board back and forth 22 billion. Come and remove your mouth. Nina I will say NPP focus is 2028 election victory. Baumia and Orca say it doesn't matter a online poll mobile no money sis one is 2028 in there they are coming like kakai or mobile a kunyano. Free SHS not cancelled. Ghana Education Service. Professor Ernest Kofi Davis and or we say free SHS no and that's what Jina and so obia in chamu akwa say meter no ebo bandan eni no obi a obeka say yetwam no monsi no woo. Attempt to neutralize Boss Energies as powerful BDCs lobby NPA to build regional depot. Okay, and so so yensen bia efriend emra and I beka share say some tankers, some petrol tanker drivers be na omo ento omo ha say omo feel say ye we are womo ewo Boss Energies depot no as obokwa measurements I was say the more money and far more and also soon send baby sa na ni nyina no pay so when the Daily Banner na kan you get the explanation. Daily Analyst and Amede Air so Gold Board moves to restore polluted water bodies, funds rehabilitation of three water treatment plants. Into no Gold Board and so ESSIEN and so say polluted water bodies say galam say polluted or whatever polluted water bodies no almost ebesha no my NCC ewo ye water bodies ni bia aye polluted no mo do mani asi miensa bi eso nti no enche kra no ombesha ase na efe omode Insisi na shase. Minority fires gold board over alleged 22 billion Ghana cedis lost. Okay. GJA to lead nationwide assessment of Galamsey fight. Mining accountability. And into no ocean for Nina Dahana, a year Ora Albert for national presidents for GJA. Nature said, to say no. Ghana Journalists Association, Mitchell and Central for what Ghana Ninara. Omo ene ba be gi animu agi Galamsey ntokonesti ye konso na efe no wo bia ye bete se wo ho bom wo bia ye be hu se wo ye Galamsey no na chese yama wind na blow na your nyash will be exposed ti no nsem bi so a ewo ho. Okay, let me move on to the National Voice. And so ede eye baumia poll no any 22 billion Ghana cedis lost no or the Abbas, so I'm not going to say it again. The Ghanaian point, and so it can be about let's fight Galamsey bipartisanly. It's a canker eating Ghana alive. Julius Debra and Ochem say Galamsey ni die also be adding a party color to nchen obi amfa the party and to nchen na ye nyina yen kan humbum whether party A or party B, in nine kind of boom send a baby to me to Galamsey na sisan say a queer slow but sure a queer ankasankasa. A mine may close, but the community must not. Gamanche calls for sustainable mining here. Into no ga manche or mine or war on Kramemu and I watch me say ya baby to saw boise send you to go do here. Mining company na war or boisano. Ebetimi egu ya na ebetimi agent license afinisem ebetimi close it down nemom oboase community ni de entimi close it down enti no ekwan bia so ebetimi aye sustainable mining ewo mining communities no yemomodin na yenye nsa as Ghanaians, as mining companies, as leaders, we should be responsible with our mining. Okay. Gold board. Okay. 62 Ghanaians killed, 15 missing in Russia-Ukraine war. Foreign Affairs Minister Okujeto Ablakwa na ekase say if it is Russia and Ukraine ehia say omototo bomb ntopaye akọ okofo mu mienu ehia so no Ghana for a ahwe wo nkwa no eye aduosia mienu 62 Ghana for na ahwe wo nkwa e wosa entokwa no emu na nipa mako edunum 15 de omayro yenhu omachiri kwan so mo etimi free Russia's ni Ukraine no sense omo wo ha na yakina nobody knows where they are. Foreign minister and our kasa asemi ne say xenophobic attacks no start say in South Africa no aban no ebon modern in fact oyade and overnight emergency cry okofa ye nuanom Ghana phobia na ye ready so mbeba no okofa omo nyina no do mo bae. What I am confused a little bit about and it's with the Russia-Ukraine war no and then start here. But those days I did not really hear and if something was done, bring me evidence so that I can defend you. But if you don't bring the evidence and I'm saying what I'm saying there, please leave me, let me say what I'm saying. I didn't see any action from the government to bring people from Russia or Ukraine, as in Ghanaians from Russia or Ukraine. I'm talking about the then government. So, BBC NC. I did not hear. I mean, before you people come and hold my neck. So, if there is evidence, I mean, you have to bring it forward so that I defend you. But that's what I'm saying. I think I have a problem with the way sometimes most African governments are more active towards their citizens in other countries, especially when there is a war going on in another country. And when there's a war going on in, let's say, Russia or a show for no abonten for no. Now I was say African leader be ekofan and call for bar. You people are too lackadaisical for my liking. You people are too relaxed for my liking. So Ghana has say and a BBC and you say American citizens bi wo ha ka obe hu airplane na ebesu wo Ghana ha say amba be for mon crop for Ghana ha say but when it comes to us going to get our people from other countries say bia war is still and say basa bia ekoso wo na you people are too lazy in that regard for my liking. Let me move on. The Daily Statesman and Amede Etwa so. Okay. And also so I find your markings and Baumia and yeah. About religious tolerance, Mustafa Abdul Hamid to deliver DI 2026 Liberty Lecture on religious tolerance in Ghana. Okay. I mean, it's a step in the right direction. The Inquisitor. Essay aftermath of Ashanti MPP elections. Dr. Ayu represents hypocrisy as his call for unity sparks anger. When it is coming, it is doing impartial. The details know what the Inquisitor. Mahama announces strategy to keep Galamseyers out of reclaimed forest reserves. Oh man, I'm getting a headache. I'm really getting a headache. Meeting you now, pie me. Reading about all these Galamsey things, and you people are just treating it like it's inflation that is going on, or fuel prices rising. It's just headacheally. Okay, let me move on before they come and hold my neck for saying something I'm not supposed to say. Let me, I think most of the newspapers are talking about Baumia and NPP and Gold Board and Sikasam and Minority Leader and yes, Supreme Newspaper and so Kasa about a Minority Leader and Gold Board and Sensem and in the Baumia too is represented. The Ghanaian Times, Assembly Ewo, Ghanaian Times essay. Ban abobo yes from highways. Stakeholders demand. Abobo ya na ndie. Oh okay. And ye this one niema no. Anya pragea. We ye abobo ya. Ne ye this one enentwie ne emponko ne emponche wo kwan no so no. Okay, stakeholders be na echem say aban no enye na ombane eye abobo ya afọ no e wo highway no so omo emfa highway no so kra. I think it's actually very good because Prague for kra are not allowed to far abobo ya friends and highway so meaning nenta abobo ya people will be allowed to far highway so I think I was say yenya yemba no. Okay, Gold Board and Sensem so of course proudly represented. Okay. My main question, if I don't see anything new, then the new publisher, I didn't say be I mean, it's still about Gold Board of your markings, but IMF and some being so PM also it stings among IMF report reveals 22 billion Ghana cedis Gold Board loss, minority demands probe. Okay, I think it's the same thing. I just thought it was the new thing. Man drowns while helping travelers cross Ghana Togo River. Yes, in Suafobi. And Juma no didn't say or one for a mucha Ghana Togo. Ghana to Togo and Togo to Ghana. In Suyono and River no. Na in Suafanoko. Of where they are hosting. Easy. Okay, so since I'm not seeing anything new over here, the newspaper review no. ABC ewo hase. Now before mekono so mamemfa a very quick announcement emfa entwem way Coastal TV Multimedia Productions don't come. Coastal TV show, multimedia show, production show. Nani atiane se nyame adoma from the 8th of September 2026. From the 8th of September 2026, next month is 8th, 8 September 8th, ebebe. na ne yete ne say ye intensive meka intensive na che say it's not child's play na che say anu odin na che say very very where's nasa na ne yete ne say radio and TV training bi ebekọ so nyame adoma next month 8th ene ebe sha ase na mempese ebe pa ho na beka say na AFIBA wan kan hye minti na make kan hye osisi ase na ebe ya you come to Coastal TV you beba Coastal TV agrofie Pedu Morocco Park uju wana Coastal TV is just around the corner ubisa ya obi abechew na efe wa ba be fa forms na wa register na efe ya ma intensive media mature radio and TV and digital mature we can we online online journalism training no yama obi nintino pacho obra na be fa form say the be ya yenko enjawo ewe chire for any further enquiries pacho phone number we 0246 731 371 ewo ho insishane so sa nafa emaye asem dey na anope Coastal TV yewo na yede emaw another announcement so was say medi etwam on image na eda screen no esu no ane Coastal TV multimedia productions na ne yesi ne say ye very 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 professional videoing picturing opa say you pictures in fama e be twa dem opa say you video in fama e be dem opa say you documentaries e be e dem o ye live program opa say you make cover live on either a channel of any channel of your preference if you say you no live on your social media handle or if say you see there na you some broadcasting on TV and fama what we've got you covered Bomodian say ube contact us for your professional videography, documentary, live programs, everything. And it just say because your own face, your own voice, you know. You're born yeding. Oh my bed 10,000 Ghana cedis here. And gold boy canary and 22 billion. You bear the amount. Na make no. Expensive because it's your own face, your own voice. Into no bomodian say obe contact NFA. Ye what's nas na ye business together. And I promise you, enya dia obe no hu de biarada. Enya dia obe regret it de biarada. Into bomodian na Coastal TV. Any business. Medino AFIBA ESSIEN na ne yete ne se aseda kese enkomo otumfo nyankopon ala na na do humobra me de Coastal TV money miss Eddie Abro na insan so fast da ni bi ma wan kasa wonya me ho aboche no watie ma asem from morning up to morning from beginning to right now na aseda ni bi nso enkoma ye sponsors NPA National Petroleum Authority, Patmo Print, Diesel Gifts and Nesto Ventures. And as that be also enkoma make team and then maybe be a government name of say Thomas Otueje and Benjamin Beduado, OMAR bin Abdullah. Gladys the first who's name here day and Gladys maybe if the government name Gladys and so I know how croma show me making sure that I'm not making any mistake. Don't worry, ma. I'm very, very good. Na yem fast dance when mo bia otimi ehwe Coastal TV money media channel no digital 514 ko Facebook and YouTube so a ye ho. Nyame adom na divine selection e bika nyame adom ochena e be sanso ehia. Bye bye.
Oh, 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 baby, oh. vision. Pretty woman, beautiful woman, so fine she causing confusion. Keep your head up, no look down. You say to yourself, you say, look at me now, you see me a bad bitch. First class.